Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we have here, we have a TomCo sidecar and a Honda CB750 automatic for sale. This is a sidecar that was produced in Kansas back in probably the late 70s, early 80s. Just guessing. But it is American made in Kansas. It comes with the Honda CB750 automatic. So what you do is, this is where the passenger sits on the bike with its own windshield, own handlebars right here. Then if you come over here, this is where the wheelchair goes in. Wheelchair comes in here, you get strapped in, and then you control the front end with the steering wheel here. It's all done internally here. This ramp goes down and then the wheelchair goes right in there. Now on this side of the motorcycle, we have a disc brake and we have a reverse. Got a big old heavy duty shock here, and this is a chain drive reverse unit. The reverse unit is inside here. The only wheel that goes in reverse is this one. So you don't want to really get in the mud or anything like that with it because it's not going to work. You have the key switch here. You got the starter for the starting the motorcycle right here. Everything is labeled. You got the meters. The bike, these are 750 automatic meters. The bike's got 22,000 miles. It is original paint. You got a storage unit in here. It's original, nice original paint actually. The bike needs a little cleanup. Now we got this bike, we made a donation to a veterans club, and the gentleman that had this motorcycle, I had a swimming pool accident. He was an airplane pilot and mechanic, and I have an article on it, and he just developed it. Now, I heard it run, and when we first went to start it up, we didn't realize it had the choke cable on it. I was kind of looking for a choke. It started, it ran, but not real well. Tires look okay-ish. You got your luggage rack. I think it's like a KG luggage rack with sissy bar. I'm not sure who made the wheels. They look kind of Suzuki-ish. I don't know that to be fact. We may have low-cost shipping available on request. These sidecars were expensive 25, 30 years ago, 40 years ago. We're looking to sell it as a package, and we can ship it kind of locally, or maybe the East Coast, as we get out to the East Coast once a month towards the Connecticut way. So hope there's some interest. Now we're going to put it in storage right now, but you're welcome to come and take a look at it if you have the interest. It's just so big. It's a very big item. So anyway, we're going to store it. I don't have time to service it right now because it's the middle of the summer. But anyway, thanks for looking at our stuff. And if there's any questions, we'll answer as many as we can. TomCo is on the internet, but they're not in business anymore. So I don't know why or whatever. But anyway, what a very, very unique project here. All right, thanks for looking.